Hi again, this is Charlene O'Hanlon with DevOps.com coming to you from DevOps World, Jenkins World 2018 San Francisco. With me now is Dan Giordano, who is Product Marketing Manager over at SmartBear. Hi Dan, how are you?
Thank you, Charlene. How's it going? Doing well today.
Great, awesome. How's the show for you so far?
Oh, it's been a great experience.
Awesome.
It's been a good 2 days.
Great. So why don't we get started real quick. Short elevator pitch about your company. Tell me about it.
Yeah, absolutely. So SmartBear, we build test automation and quality tools for the entire pipeline, from developers, testing, and operations teams, so they can instill quality from the first line of code they write to all the way in production with monitoring tools.
All right, great. So I know you guys had some big news come out this week.
Absolutely. So this week was really big for us. We've had two big announcements. We had an update to Ready API. That's our API quality platform. Built off the famous kind of SoapUI open source technology. And then Test Complete came out with a new update that includes AI and OCR components to help test a little bit.
That's great. I'm hearing so much about artificial intelligence in the DevOps tool chain now, and it's exciting to hear about it. So how are you guys using AI in your technology?
Absolutely. So currently right now, Test Complete, it provides this amazing object recognition engine for testers to quickly create tests and execute tests. What AI helps us do is kind of beef up that object recognition and help test things that aren't traditionally objects. So let's talk about charting, maybe map technologies, things that don't have a variable kind of set in the DOM. We can now test and use AI to compare over images, charts, Citrix backends, things like that. Is much more testable now with Test Complete 12.6.
What other areas do you see AI kind of permeating the whole DevOps process?
It's definitely interesting this week being here. Obviously, everyone's talking about AI and where does it fit. If you talk to maybe an ops person, it fits in the infrastructure part with dealing and facilitating that. But for us, we see it happening with results and kind of measuring the results of tests and getting smarter as we go on. Are those tests going to fail? In this particular situation, what were the changes to the code as well? And if we can apply some AI, machine learning algorithms to that as well to take testing and minimize where we're testing across the entire application and get through as fast as possible.
That makes sense. What I keep hearing over and over again, the perils of automation and artificial intelligence. It's going to take my job away from me. But it seems like, at least so far, all the implementations of AI or the uses of AI have been more to do with helping people do their jobs better.
I totally agree with that. I think we've seen that with even the shift left movement as well. AI, shift left, both kind of testing is seen as maybe taking their jobs away. What we've seen, just the value chain has just increased. They've been able to get through their job better, they've been able to, or quicker, they've been able to do their job better, test more, increase coverage. So we see the whole shift left, QA has a huge part in that, and AI is the same way. It's really just enhancing their workflow.
I'm assuming that AI is you guys are just getting started with it.
Absolutely. So this is our first kind of venture into it. This is on the UI side with Test Complete. We still have our API side and test management to start cracking with AI. So we're definitely going to be instilling it throughout the SmartBear company in the next coming months.
All right, great. Well, Dan, thanks very much for walking me through it. It's awesome stuff.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here this week.
Great.